Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to tackle a chrome delete on a Tesla Model 3. This is our guy right here.
My Tesla, my beauty right here.
Hopefully this goes smoothly. We have 2 sets of everything just in case we fuck up, which we really might.
We're not professionals. That's the thing. We're not professionals.
All right, let's get into this shit. The good thing about this kit is it actually is pre-cut. The vinyl's already pre-cut, so you just have to lay it on there and basically mate it to the surface. So we're gonna do our best to make it look clean, but we're gonna get started right now. Here's the man himself cleaning off the first corner.
Using auto glass today.
Jeez.
Attempt number 1.
It doesn't help that it's kind of windy.
It's not helping that it's windy, but we're still gonna get the job done.
Fuck, this is sketchy.
Block out the accent.
Yeah. All right, so this is gonna be the passenger, the door corner, and basically you just stick it on as it is. Is it kind of raining right now?
I think it is.
Okay.
I feel a little drizzle.
We picked the best day to do this, but
We really did, to be honest. And we're just kind of going from the top, lining it up. Go from the bottom here. Start making our way
down to
downtown.
I hate
Oh, I hate you guys so much.
Whoa,
Wait,
there's
I
the
need-
first
okay, get Nate-
window
Get
trim.
Nate squeegeeing it.
That's kind of
Yeah.
clean. Oh,
You gotta tuck it in, yeah.
more there.
Damn, you tucked it. Oh, felt weird.
Okay, okay.
Peace.
Not
Okay.
bad, not bad.
Get in there now. I think you gotta use the other side. There you go.
Kevin entrusted us on this side. It ain't too bad. This is our first time, so you got to give us some slack, but it's looking okay. Kevin with his pink hair dryer over there.
Yes, sir. This is definitely mine. Oh yeah, it's molding better now.
Yeah, like I said, the heat should mate the vinyl to the surface. Got some extra help for the major side piece on the doors. Got Calvin right here. It's the little details, right, boys?
Yes, sir. Adrian will find some way to do his work.
Yeah. He does the most work on not his car.
This is for comparison's sake. This is the chrome and this is the wrap. It's looking really clean right now. Nate's out here making comments.
For the sake of comparison.
Started about 6 o'clock or 6:30. It's 10 right now.
Woo!
But she's done.
Damn, that was good though.
She's done.
Alright.
I wouldn't recommend beginners to do this. We're beginners, but this shit took too long.
Let's go teach your ass how to build, man.
For real.
4 hours into this thing, but she looking clean though. She looking clean.
Wash that and it'll be a lot better.
Nah, but look at the details on it though. Okay. Okay. It really pops with the wheels too,
Yeah.
so I do recommend you guys get this if you have a Model 3, but I don't recommend to do it yourself if you're a beginner.
Please get the homies to do it with you.
Shout out to Tuss Bros, but anyways, if you guys like the video, I'll see you guys in the next upload.